To hard reset the iTel A571L pattern lock pin password lock reset, follow these steps. First, ensure your device is powered off. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the recovery mode screen appears. Use the volume down button to navigate to the Wipe Data Factory Reset option and press the power button to select it. On the next screen, confirm that you want to wipe all data by selecting the Yes option. The device will then start the factory reset process, and once completed, select the Reboot System Now option. Your device will restart and boot up with all settings restored to their default values. Remember that a hard reset will erase all data on your device, so it is recommended to back up your data before performing this process. It is also important to note that a hard reset should only be performed when absolutely necessary, as it will restore your device to its original settings. If you are unable to access your device due to a forgotten pattern lock or PIN password, then a hard reset may be your only option. However, if you are able to access your device, you can try resetting your pattern lock or PIN password through the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Security or Lock Screen section and look for the option to reset your pattern lock or PIN password. You will be required to enter your device password or Google account credentials to verify your identity before you can reset your pattern lock or PIN password. It is always a good idea to create a backup of your device and to enable the Find My Device feature in case your device is lost or stolen. This will allow you to remotely locate and erase your device if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to hard reset the iTel A571L pattern lock PIN password lock reset and restore your device to its original settings.